Very good morning, students. In last class, we have learnt plants that grow in the deserts. Right? Students, in this class, I am going to teach you rainforest that grow in plains. Students, rainforests are a kind of a forest habitat. They are found in warm places and are full of many tall trees and leafy plants. Because rainforests are warm, wet, and dense, they are full of life. Millions of different kinds of plants and animals live there, and some have not even been discovered yet. So, rainforests are found in hot and wet places where it rains heavily. Students, all of you see here in this picture, this is the picture of rainforest. There are a large number of plants of different shapes and sizes growing here. And the plants compete with one another for sunlight. Okay, all of you see here. The trees in a rainforest grow very tall to grab maximum sunlight. The average height of trees in rainforest is 35 to 42 meters, but the tallest tree can grow up to 84 meters. The trees have thick crowns and form a canopy that covers the other plants below. And these trees receive a lot of sunlight but allow very little sunlight to reach the plants below. Okay, all of you see here in this picture. Okay, these are all large trees. Okay, below this there will be a small plants also there. Okay, and here trees forms very thick crowns. Students, under this canopy there will be a smaller trees, bushes, and climbers. These plants have larger leaves to capture whatever little sunlight reaches them. Okay, all of you see here in this picture. Okay, there will be a leaves or larger leaves. Okay, here, and some plants climb over the trees to reach the canopy. Okay, all of you see here in this tree. Okay, the plants climb over the tree to reach the canopy. Okay, this is all about rainforest. Students, now we are going to know the plants that grow in marshy areas. Marshy areas is a type of wetland. Marshy areas have clay and wet soil. Water does not drain out from the soil in marshy areas. The soil becomes very damp and lacks air. How do plants survive in such conditions? Let us find out. Okay. The trees in marshy areas remain submerged in water. Okay. Students, all of you see here in this picture, trees in marshy areas remain submerged in water. Okay, this is water. Okay. And their roots do not get enough air. Mangrove trees have adapted to grow well in marshy areas. Their roots grow out from the sides and help the plant to breathe. Such roots are called breathing roots. Okay, all of you see here in this picture. Students, okay, the roots grow out from the sides, okay, here, and that helps breathe. Such roots are called breathing roots. Okay, these roots are called breathing roots. The Sundari mangrove trees are found in marshy areas of Sundarbans. Okay. Sundarban is India's largest mangrove forest. This is all about plants that grow in marshy areas. Okay. Students, now we are going to know plants that grow in coastal areas. Okay. Students, before going to that, we should know what is coast or a coastal area. Okay. The area where the sea and land meets is called a coast. Right. Students, all of you see here in this picture, this is coastal area. Okay, the weather in coastal areas is very hot, wet and windy. The soil is sandy and water is very salty. The trees growing in coastal areas are tall and straight. They have a crown of giant feather-like leaves, which is allow the wind to pass through. Okay. The coconut tree grows in abundance in coastal areas. Okay. They have the crown of giant feather-like leaves, right? Which allow the wind to pass through easily, right? Students, in this class we have learnt rainforests that grow in plains and plants that grow in marshy areas and plants that grow in coastal areas, right? If you have any doubt, ask in online session. All of you should follow given worksheet. Thank you, students.